Hello everyone, Michelle here from Casa Razas checking in. I am actually checking in from San Jose because I am headed back home. So I leave things in very capable hands with my brother Sergio, but let's check out the last few things we got finished and what's getting started.
Isidro, date la escoba, man. Vamos a tener que comenzar de allá para acá.
You look at it, Derek. Yeah. You see what's going on? We'll see us. No surprise.
Jungle view, jungle view. Did you know we actually got a bar cart made to go along with all that beautiful furniture that was made for us? So let's just get a little sneak peek on what this little magical cart looks like. This is a tray, guys. This is a tray. And this is a tray. Come on now. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We'll continue to get updates from Sergio. And if you guys have any questions about living, building, visiting Costa Rica or Limón itself, please inbox us. We're happy to share any information that we may have.